guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Challenge and Inspire. My name is Shilpi Rai. So I'm back with another new video. In this video, I'm going to do few yoga postures that is going to help you to calm down your brain, to calm down your mind, and it is very good for a better concentration, a healthy brain and a healthy mind. Workout is very important for a healthy body and for a healthy brain. The way we do workout for different parts of our body, same way we need to give some time for our brain, to relax our brain, to calm down our brain. So this yoga is definitely very helpful for you in various ways. So it just takes 5 to 10 minutes if you are doing on a regular basis. Just 5 minutes also if you are giving on a daily basis, definitely it is going to help you a lot. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video.
First one is wide-legged forward bend pose, Prasarita Padottanasana. For this, stand up on your feet, widen your legs, hands up and bend down with spine straightened. Try to touch your feet and move your head towards the floor as much as you can. Do not force yourself. Slowly try to touch your head with the floor if you can. Hold this posture for 1 to 2 minutes. Start with 15 to 30 seconds, then 1 minute, then slowly increase the timing. Once you are done, come back to normal posture. Remember, spine should be straightened. Prasarita Padottanasana helps to calm the brain, relieves mild backache, and tones the abdominal organs. It also strengthens and stretches the inner and back legs and the spine. Once you are done, come to the child pose and relax. Our second yoga posture is forward fold pose, Uttanasana. For this asana, stand on your feet and lock your knees, feet together, hands up and bend down with spine straightened. Try to touch the floor with your fingers. Come to your comfortable position. Once you are able to touch the floor, bring your head towards your knees and try to touch your knees with your nose. Hold this posture for 1 to 2 minutes. Do not force yourself. Uttanasana helps to reduce stress, anxiety, depression and fatigue, calm down the mind and soothes the nerves. It relieves tension in the spine, neck and back and activates the abdominal muscles. Our third yoga posture is supported bridge pose, Setu Bandha Sarvangasana. Lie on your back with your knees bent and the soles of your feet flat on the floor. Extend your arms on the floor with your fingers reaching towards your heels. Keep your feet parallel and press down into the soles of your feet to lift your hips off the floor. If you find it difficult to do, Lower your hip. Do not force yourself. Whichever is comfortable position, try holding for few seconds. Supported bridge pose calms the brain and the central nervous system. It also stimulates lungs, thyroid glands, and abdominal organs, helps to improve digestion, also reduces stress and depression. Once you are done, come to Savasana and relax.
I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and definitely it is going to help you if you are practicing it on a regular basis and with a better concentration, a better focus. So if you have not watched my meditation video, so click on the I button. Anyways, I have given the link in the description box. Go and watch that. Definitely it is going to help you in many ways, and it's just awesome. If you like my video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, take care, stay happy and keep smiling. Lots of love.